If you have a problem like this is how you do. You take the main problem in question, break it into smaller components where you have log 2 and log 3. Then you substitute stuff. This is how to do it now. So you have log of the 6, it be log 6 to the power 1 over 2. So you now simplify it. So you have 1 over 2 log 6. And this log 6 incorporating as 1 over 2 into log 2 times 3. Yeah, lower logarithm. So if you go further, you have this into log 2 plus log 3. So now the main thing, you now substitute, which will give you log 2 given here is 0.3010 plus log 3 is 0.771. So we now put it now 0.7781. Next, you divide to give you 0.38905. That is the final